All right. Good morning, everyone. I think I'd rather a long today. There's a lot of buy side on the 15-minute. We swept Asia. We're in last week's new day opening gap of last Friday. If ever you want to add anything, just add, okay, bro?
Yeah, darn, setting up my shit.
So you think we're gonna be bullish all week again? New all-time highs?
Yeah, 100%.
You think?
Yeah,
What's CS doing today?
higher time frame will give you the directional. The draw on liquidity most of the time. We're bullish. We're below 8:30 and midnight, so you could look for longs. London session has relatively equal highs with Asia.
And we have a big bullish
We'll
SMT
see.
right now with ES as well.
Yeah, we just tapped into a 15-minute. If we're bearish, though, we're going to continue lower. I'm hoping that now that we just tapped into the 15, we start to push lower, sweep some internal liquidity, and then reverse up. If not, then we'll reassess as we take highs.
I'm drinking freshly squeezed orange juice. I told you Kat got one of those juicers.
Yeah.
She's been making fresh juice. Yo, you know the one I really like is apple, kiwi, and raisin.
Grape.
Yeah, but like
Apple, kiwi.
green grape, green apple, and kiwi. Remember that little thing you used to buy at the dollar store? You used to do the push in your mouth, the
The
sour
spray, the
apple.
sour spray. Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes exactly like that.
See, I know it looks bullish off that reaction, but I think we're going to come down, to be honest with you. That would be the best case scenario, and we leave that high in this wick as internal liquidity to go grab after we manipulate and take some of the lows. That's what I'm hoping for.
You don't trade before 9:45 either, huh?
I let the first 10 minutes pass by. It's too volatile, and sometimes it's hard to get
Yeah.
the direction. I like the first 10 minutes to tell me, to give me a manipulation. Overall, I think we are bullish, and the main reason is because you look at the 1 hour time frame. That'll mostly give you the directional bias. We're bullish overall. Okay, then you look at what? You look at midnight. You could look at 9:30 and 8:30 opening price. We're below 8:30, we're below midnight. So you can look for longs, that's fine. What else do we have? Then you look for power of three. If you go on the 15-minute, you look before 9:30, it looks like we're accumulating. 9:30 push down. Sorry, no, 8:30, actually 9 o'clock push down. On the 50-minute chart, it looks like we have accumulation manipulation. Now we're going to go distribute higher. But I want one more manipulation lower before we go up. I don't know. I find the first 10 minutes of you grabbing a trade in the first 10 minutes is almost like gambling. It's like flipping a coin.
Yeah, me too. I don't like the first 15, me. But at least 10.
If I flip a coin right now, what are the odds you give me head? I knew you would laugh.
Bro, I never heard that one.
If I flip
I
a
actually
coin right
never
now,
heard that one. If I
what
flip
are
a
the
coin.
odds you give me head?
What'd you do last night?
I actually read my Bible.
I was so tired. I came home. I took a shower. Phone 20 minutes, and I just passed out at like 10 o'clock. I slept like 9, 10 hours. I was so tired from the weekend.
Yeah, at least you got energy. I went to bed pretty late.
Yeah. I hate when I wake up though. I go pee and I look outside and it's full sun. I don't know where the sun comes up where you live, but how Cat's
Where I live?
bathroom? Well, you live, yeah, like your bathroom. I don't know if the sun comes up from the front of your house or the back. You, it's the back. Me, it's. I
Yeah, the
swear,
back.
I swear the sun comes up straight from the bathroom window in Cat's bathroom. So like you wake up at 6 a.m. to go pee and the sun is already in your face.
Well, it's good. It wakes you up. You get some vitamin D
No, I gotta go back to
circulating.
bed. It's 6 a.m. I don't wake up till 8:30, 8 o'clock. Good morning, JC.
So put an underwear over your head. You won't get the sun in your eyes. Just make sure you put the right one.
Ooh.
Patience, patience.
Wait, I'm not logged into TradeAvate anywhere. Trade. I just remembered, huh? I almost was gonna show a password. I had to log into TradeAvate. It's a good thing I changed its screen.
You don't have pre-saved passwords? You have
No,
to
no, I
type
do,
it in
I do, I
every
do. They're
time?
pre-saved. It's just I don't want to by accident click on the eyeball or something like that and it shows. I don't know why. Normally it logs into TradeAvate automatically. Today none of my charts were logged in. All right, SMT now. Previous cycle.
Yeah, well, we even had an SMT with the previous 30-minute cycle too. We already got one.
We have a lot
9:30
of
and it
buy
pushed
side, huh?
down. Yeah, we've got quite a bit of stacked highs here.
Yeah.
Looks like we're gonna go for it right away. ES is lagging behind though.
Yeah, by a lot. They've been a bit off recently in the last week. It's always one chasing the other. I gotta call Matthew today for a haircut.
Yeah, look, you need a haircut too.
Oh, we tapped into the last 5 minute bearish for value gap of the leg. Bro, we reacted strong since 9:30.
Yeah, from the entire range of today, we hit the 50%. We're in a 15-minute mitigation block with the fair value gap. You could easily find resistance here.
We could have Asia buy side even as a target. Or at least till the 515
Yeah,
area.
that should be the target, yeah. We still need a setup. We still need internal manipulation. We have plenty of time.
We should go pickleball this week at one time. One point. We have good weather.
Yeah, we could go Wednesday night. I'm gonna hit you with a nasty Nelson.
Why it's good Wednesday night, the weather?
I think it's nice, yeah. Let me check. Wednesday, yeah, 26 degrees.
Wow.
Let me check during the day. Yeah, it looks good. No issues, no rain. Zero chance of rain, apparently.
When?
Wednesday.
9:42. Wow, yes, is really lagging behind. Doesn't even want to take that internal high there to the left. Bro, even if NQ inverses that last 5 minute fair value gap at 850, the highs are so close.
Oh, yeah. In a minute, anyway, you're gonna inverse the 15-minute. Like I said, on the 15-minute chart, it looks like you had an accumulation from 4 a.m. all the way to 8:50. You got
Yeah.
your manipulation down, and now you can potentially distribute up, and it's in line with the higher time frame bias, especially if you look at the 1 hour. Look at the wick on the 1 hour. You're respecting the lowest fair value gap at 6 o'clock when we opened up last night. The 1 hour fair value gap, the lowest fair value gap in the leg. That is very bullish. Might not even get any manipulation down anymore. You'll have to find a continuation trade till all-time highs. It's literally the general rule of thumb that ICT traders always talk about. If you're on the 1 minute chart and you see all-time highs, chances are you're going to hit all-time highs.
Where did you go, my lovely? Patience, patience, young
That video
Padawan.
of Joe messing around with his employees is so funny.
Yeah. Every time he sends one of those, I piss my pants. Serious, really.
Bro, he does the accent so well.
So you drunk?
Are you drunk? Are you drunk?
He
Yes,
filmed
you're
the guy. The
drunk,
guy
right?
looks like he doesn't even know where he belongs.
Why monkey only eat banana? Tell me, tell me.
Surya, tell me. The guy looks so confused. It's like he was doing algebra. He was doing it algebra in his head.
He's used to it.
He's the teacher
He's
and the
been
student.
working.
He's the teacher and the student.
He's been working with Joe for like 20 years. He saw Joe when Joe was like at the height of his kneecap, and now Joe's like 3 heads above him.
Four heads above him.
Like you planted, like you got a giraffe as a child.
Yeah. They probably like him too. Joe fucks around, but Joe loves him, you know? It's
Yeah, of
Joe's
course.
boy.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mrs. Sousa. Where did you go?
Oh, the 15-minute didn't close it yet. Oh, ES is really holding back.
Yep, that last 5 minute is holding. Ah, we still got a minute. Does it want to push? Doesn't look like it wants to push. Look at ES2, bro. No speed. Tapped into the big fair value gap, and now it looks like it wants to come back down. Let's get an internal sweep, and then let's go back up. Get a trade to go back up and ride it.
Did you hear?
I heard
Did you
that.
hear a loud
Ow!
ow?
That means he got attacked by a cat. Good morning, Petra. That means Big Mike got attacked by the cat. Alright, let's get an internal sweep, SMT. Let's get a trade to go to all-time highs. Do we have news today? I didn't even check, actually. I completely forgot. Let me check. Oh, we got 10 a.m. news.
10 a.m. news. I'm
Yeah, we
hoping
got
10
10
a.m.
a.m. red
pushes us
folder.
down.
PMI.
One more manipulation down.
Alright, well, no trading till 10 o'clock. 10 a.m. news. Where will 10 a.m. bring us? What's the joke you said about heads or tails again?
If I flip a coin, what are the chances you give me head? Oh, that was a good one when I heard it. It's a pickup line. Try it on your mom. So immature.
Chat, whoever's trading, don't forget there's news at 10 a.m. Don't get burned. Whoa. Hey, look at that wick. Wow, we actually really rejected strong off that last 5-minute bearish for value gap. I'm gonna dry it out.
I got the magic in me. Your favorite movie's Pitch Perfect, no? Oh, damn, it's true. You're streaming.
Lone Survivor is a great one.
No, but like you really like Pitch Perfect.
I love it. I got a whiskey for the way. Dirty Grandpa is actually such a great movie too. All right, what will the news do? Are we going up or down, Dave?
I'm telling you, I'm hoping 10 a.m. pushes us lower. I want these highs to stay intact.
Yeah, me too.
I want everybody to think 10 a.m. I want to see 10 a.m. push down to make everybody think we're bearish. And then I want to get along. That's what I'm looking for. We'll see what price tells us.
I like that too. Let us go down at 10 a.m. and let's find a trade to the upside, bro. Look at these stacked highs on the even on the 1 minute. You see them from 496 all the way up to 517.
It
It's
ain't
like
your
eight
job to
highs.
react. It's your job to. No, it's not your job to predict. It's your job to react. Let's do it. I've got the magic. I don't know how I still have mucus after a week. What the hell?
It's manipulating before the news.
Manipulate my mucus.
All right, we're in the 5 minute bullish fair value gap. Hopefully, let's hold here. Linger here a little bit till news.
.4 minutes. 4 minutes till news.
I think longs are the play. ES still has that huge fair value gap to catch up and cover and completely fill. And Q already did, and we already had a big bullish SMT at the bottom this morning. Hey Martin, how's your morning going? Any trades yet? Yeah, me neither. Nothing so far, and we have news at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Be careful. Yeah, you'll never see me taking a trade before 9:45. At least until 9:40.
Unless I give you a trade at 9:40.
Yeah. All right, 2 minutes there's news. Yeah, exactly. I find it messy too in the beginning. Sometimes very choppy. I always let the first 10-15 minutes play out. We are the big boys, Martin. We are the big boys.
I don't see your camera, but after saying that, I would assume you tried to flex your arm on camera.
No, not at all. What's wrong with you?
Show them the guns, the big guns.
Yeah.
Yeah. 245-pound man, you have.
Nowhere near 245.
Like 244 and a half.
No, I'm like 217.
On a good day, though.
Bro, you gotta remember I'm 6'1".
Uh,
217 is nowhere near that big. Well, it looks like we're gonna inverse the last 5 minutes for value gap. 1 minute.
Did we end up inversing the 15? No, we didn't. We're respecting it.
What 15? Oh, you're talking about the bearish one at the top. Yeah, we respected it, of course. Look where we are.
No, the one at 9 o'clock. I don't know if we ended up closing it and then just gonna re-disrespect it now. I didn't check. But
All right,
no,
well, we got news soon.
we didn't close.
Let's go, news. I won't even mind if news takes out the AMD sell side before, because ES took it out already. And then we look for a push up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Da 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 ding. Let's get a sweep.
Yeah, no, you have an SMT. You don't even need to go lower if you're bullish. You swept 930 low, 931 into the lowest for value gap. If you're bullish, is where you'll react from. So you wait.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, that's better. No, Martin. Sometimes maybe I'll use it as a confluence, but to be honest, my trades are mostly on one of my trades is mainly on like momentum and order flow, and the other one is an SMT trade when we sweep liquidity or either in fair value gaps. Hopefully we get a trade today, I'll show you. Yeah, many traders use SMT as a confluence, but my trade is actually like completely based off an SMT. Specific types, not just any SMT. With the yes, yeah. If we get one today, I'll show you. Normally it happens every day, at least once or twice, but sometimes you won't get it for a week. But on average, it's at least one time a day. Yeah, it has to take out previous 30-minute cycles. It has to be the current cycle high or low. It has to take out. Yeah, if not, there's tons of SMTs. It has to be in fair value gaps. Hopefully the last one in the leg. There's rules to it. Internal sweeps as well. There's a couple key rules to it, about 4, 5, 6 rules. So if they happen, I'll point it out on stream. Yeah, if not, you're gonna have an SMT every 5 minutes. There's always an SMT, 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 minute, 10 minute. But yeah, I only look at ES and NQ. I don't use YM. I'll show you though when it happens today. I'll break down the trade for you if you want. If you're still here, I'll break it down for you. No, they're not custom built. In the last 2 years, I've ended up getting 5 indicators. It's just one for the 30-minute cycles. I have one for SMTs. I have one for balanced price ranges, and I have one more for ICT kill zones, 8:30, midnight, 6 o'clock, previous day high, previous day low, Asia high, Asia low. They're all free standard indicators off TradingView. And equal highs and equal lows I put on my chart too. Makes it easier. You don't have to zoom in to check if it's equal highs or equal lows. It'll just form a little red bar next to it. What is this candle gonna do here? Internal sweep, and now we have like 3 relatively equal lows. Are you looking at anything, Dave?
No, nothing for now.
Keep yawning in the morning. I'm not even tired and I'm yawning. What does that mean? What did they say? The doctor's lack of oxygen. I would like one more sweep before going up. It would be a lot cleaner. If anybody has any trade ideas, I'll be sure to write it in the chat too, so we could take a look. We have teacher Dave in today. You didn't even laugh.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, you didn't hear what I said? I said if anybody has any trade ideas, put it in the chat. We have teacher Dave.
The only trade idea I see for now, since we have an SMT on NQ with the 1002 high in from the fair value gap, so you have an SMT, you're delivering from that bearish fair value gap at 958.
Yeah, would be
If
the
you
inverse
inverse the fair
1005.
value gap here at 1005, you could potentially go lower. If you're bearish, that's a decent trade to at least go for the relatively equal lows at 1003 and 927. But we'll see. That the problem is now you're in a discount. You don't absolutely need to sweep that low. It's not required. We'll see here what gets respected, what gets disrespected. You can easily leave those relatively equal lows. And now that fair value gap's disrespected, so the trade idea is gone. Let's see what happens here.
Strong
You
reaction
notice
though there.
how you notice how we swept, but we left relatively equal lows, right?
Yeah,
And then your 1005 candle created the CISD
yeah,
on those two order blocks. The candle, look at the candle at 1007. You
yeah. I know.
swept, you came into a
Swept
fair
close
value
above.
gap, you hit 10 a.m. and you closed above. That's an institutional order flow entry drill. This candle here at 1008, you see the candle at 1008?
Yep.
That candle at 1008 will tell me if this is a bullish candle, for example, if this is a bullish candle, we should continue up, or at least for a one-to-one.
Right off previous day equilibrium. Where's Yes? Yes still has targets to grab up. Since the
Yeah.
morning they had such a big bullish SMT. I'm more bullish for
You
Yes.
could
I
put a
want a Yes to
one-to-one
run
on
now.
your chart right here.
Oh, yeah, I'll put it.
We should get that's a very bullish reaction.
It's a big stop. I put at the stop of the order block, at the low of the order block. All right, Martin, enjoy. Yes has to lead now. Yes has to run. Show strength. Yes has been so weak. Run. Run, boy, run. Did you take that trade or no?
Yeah. I like that reaction off of 10 a.m. Overall, I'm bullish. I know that you can always leave relatively equal lows and you have the SMT.
It's crazy. We don't hear the order fill from your screen, but every time I take a trade, the order fill blasts my eardrums. It's so loud.
You hear it on my side?
No, I don't. Come on, yeah, show some strength. If you get a strong candle close here, it'd be very nice, huh?
Yeah, I'd want to see some speed on what I'm looking at is to close the fair value gap at 954. That's the speed I would want to see.
Yeah, I want ES to react too. ES should start running. Looks a
But
little
it's
weak, yes.
hesitating.
Yeah.
Could be wrong and about the bias, and we're still going lower. Yeah, this lower fair value gap here and that order block is the last line of defense for me.
Let's go, yes. Make a run for it. Sprint.
Yeah, I don't like how slow it is. When it's this slow and doesn't run right away, trades will probably stop you out.
Let's go, yes. Make a run for it. Imagine. Trump comes to agreement with Iran, the war's over. 300 points, boom.
The war is over.
Or yes, looks like, come on, yes. Yes has a lot of room to run too. We filled the whole gap up here on NQ. And we have so many highs to go grab.
Yeah, it is very slow.
What did the news come out as? It was bullish. Just by a bit. Let's go, yes. Run it, run it, run it. Oh, it's really playing ping pong in this area. Come on, NQ, be the leader. Those highs are so nice to grab up there. We have so much buy side to go to grab, even previous day high. I know, I think we already grabbed it, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I hate that it's playing ping pong like this. There's no reason for us to come back down if we're bullish.
Come on, push. We gotta break this level. Yeah, let's push the 80s. There you go. Have a nice push.
Well, you know how I work when it takes forever.
Yeah, break even, I know.
I'm at break even once it pops through an internal high.
Let's push through the 400s. Come on. With speed.
Oh, no, it's a break even trade. It's free. I would want it to run, and I would want it to run fast, not play here.
I'm telling you, yes, there's a lot to go grab too. Just wanted to push.
Even if I get break even, I'll look for a re-entry somewhere. Taking too much time, bro. The best trades are the ones that go in your direction as soon as you enter, you get barely any drawdown. Those are the trades you want. This hesitation is no good.
Oh, that 75 area.
And break even. Perfect. Okay, so preserved our capital, we're good. Let's see now what happens. Now it'll run, right? Because it stopped me out.
This candle, yeah.
Now it'll run because it stopped me out. No, honestly, though, the hesitation is horrendous. It's not what you want to see.
We played a long time in there.
No, it could be time distortion. It's waiting, accumulating orders before it goes up. I'd rather preserve my capital.
Look at the ES lows. Look at the lows they're making in a straight line.
Oh, yes, looks like it has zero volume. I'll sit on my hands. I'll see how this thing plays out. This is way too unclean. Look at all the wicks.
Yep. I gotta blow my nose. I'll be right back, okay?
Yeah, go ahead. Where are you going? Under the desk?
I'm back. When is the Scream new movie coming out? The not the Scream. What's the scary movie? In July?
Scary Movie 6?
Yeah.
Or is it Scary Movie 9? I don't even know anymore.
I don't know either.
Was it June 6th or July 6th?
I think July. Make myself an espresso.
Damn, now it runs. And Q plays with my emotions more than a girlfriend does. Ba-dum-ba-bum-bum-bum-bum. You know whose vlogs I miss? David Dobrik. At one point, he used to post vlogs like every week, and I guess he made his money and just stopped. His vlogs were hilarious. Do you ever watch them like in order and stuff?
No, I never watched him much. The guy used to watch me was Danny Duncan. Yeah, I like Danny Duncan. He was funny. Told you the gym guy too. I used to watch a lot. Will Tennyson. Did you send Antonio a picture of the blonde cat in the yard?
Oh no, I didn't. His neighbor's cat? No. Wow, look at it. Yeah, still in that tight little range. You know how bad I wanted to hold this trade?
Yeah,
I felt like my analysis was so on point.
I wanted the S to run though, like super quick, so NQ could have the potential to run all the way up there too. Yeah, bro, it really looks clean to go all the way up
'Cause
to the
we were
500s.
bullish. We had our CISD, we had our institutional order flow entry drill. Well, the way I trade it. 10 a.m. manipulation below low. You had that with an SMT. You had like double SMT. My trade was good for higher. Just took way too long to my liking. Yeah, hopefully I'll get another entry. Snipe something out.
When you do that, you can mute your mic. We hear the video. What a waiting game this is for us. It's like hunting in the woods and you're waiting for the deer to cross.
Yeah, literally. Bro, you wait. You can go sometimes 2 days with no trade. It's not your job to take a trade every day. It's your job to execute when the trade comes. You're just sitting behind the computer waiting for that setup to show up. I saw some interviews with some like swing traders and stuff. Some of them say, bro, sometimes we wait like 2 weeks for a potential setup. It's important to be patient. If not, you're just gonna ruin your equity and your edge.
To be honest, that's all it is. You have to
And
be
that you
so
don't want.
patient and manage risk so efficiently and have control over your emotions. One big screw up or one day that you completely lost it could swing you back all the way back like a month or two of profit.
Yeah.
All
Everybody
that
learns that lesson the hard way.
all that patience and hard work down the drain.
Nobody who's making money, nobody who's making money hasn't been burned before bad. You learn.
All right, well, long seems to be the play. Just need a setup. It's a bit hesitant though. Look at ES, it's coming down a bit. It really doesn't want to push through those highs. Patience is the name of the game. If ever you have nothing to do, Dave, you should go to the thing that me and Eric went to over the weekend. You'd actually have a lot of fun.
Sorry, I was on mute. I was blowing my nose. What's up?
The game that me and Eric went to over the weekend. You should go to it if ever you're down to have an activity. It was very fun.
Would you go if you were to go back? Would you take the extra 30 minutes?
What do you mean extra?
You're allowed to take an extra 30 minutes. You just have to pay for it, obviously. But most people say they always like an extra 30.
I didn't even know you could do that.
Yeah, you did what, an hour and a half?
I did an hour and a half.
Yeah, you could like people take an extra 30 minutes for like a small fee.
Yeah, I would take the 30 minutes.
Yeah, a lot of people say when they go back, they take an extra 30.
Yeah, because the issue is there's like three, four, five rooms that we didn't even do that we really wanted to do. So it's either one,
Oh,
we couldn't find
dang.
it, or two, they were just always red.
How badly did you want to do it?
No, for real, we wanted to do it. We walked out and
I
there's like
know, I
six,
know.
seven rooms that we didn't even get to try. But it was packed. So I guess there was like a line for those rooms where every time it went green, somebody snatched it.
I'm just messing around.
Some of the rooms were so hot. Like no AC. It's like actually you're in a prison cell and with no AC. Me and Eric walked out and our foreheads were drenched.
Bro, but that's ridiculous.
But they're not all like that. Like it's hot in
You want
there.
to do an
I
activity, you don't
sweated,
want to
but
feel, you don't want to walk in a room in 27 degrees and your white shirt now is like see-through and your nipples are poking out like
yeah, we got lucky. We
lightsabers.
we were all wearing black.
Like lightsabers. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, David. In Injustice, I opened up just like two of those gear lockers. I got the Ral Al Ghul's dagger.
Finally got it.
Yeah, I just woke
I
up
got
one morning. I'm like, bro, I haven't played that game in so long. I just hopped on and I just opened two, and the second one I see Ral Al Ghul's dagger. I'm like, there's no way. It was about
Yeah,
time I opened so many before.
I haven't played that game. I haven't played any mobile game in forever. I don't think I even have them downloaded anymore. My phone did a cleanup.
Well, there's no momentum on ES. Doesn't want to go anywhere.
Yeah, that's horrendous.
Alright, what do we have here?
We're slowly going up though on NQ. ES could, if ES starts to pop up, NQ will go for all-time highs, no problem. No problem at all. ES has to run. What is it, 10:30? Maybe 11 o'clock will do it.
I have to go to the gym today.
You're gonna go?
Yeah, no choice, bro. I've been lacking. I haven't been
Gonna
going
go
much.
tomorrow. I can't go later, so I'll go tomorrow.
You're busy after?
Yes, sir. Gonna meet with Jerome Powell and tell him to stop messing around.
He's out, bro. He's gone.
Yeah, I know. He's still in the shadows, though. Not a lot of people know. Don't talk about it. Oh my god.
What are the chances you flip a coin and he gives you head?
You think he'll fall for it?
No, I doubt it. What do you mean?
You talking to me?
Yeah.
Didn't even say anything.
Uh,
I was thinking if I was in this trade, I'd be pissed it's taking so long. What
and
in the world is ES doing?
you're gonna go on TikTok later and you're gonna say, if you didn't take this trade,
You're a donut.
yeah, you should just stop trading forever. Bro, those videos are so fucking stupid.
Yeah, it's hilarious. Dodgy does those. If you didn't take this, you're a donut.
If you didn't
You're a
take this, I
donut.
don't know what you're doing with your life. Like as
Those are
if
good
everybody
too.
has to be taking the same goddamn
I
trade.
don't know what you're doing with your life is wild.
Yeah. And you're watching it after taking a loser.
You wanna go back on your laptop and just blow all your fundeds. Bro, like, people actually suffer like that. Some people are not used to trading like that, and they hear these videos and they go back on their computer and they just blow all their fundeds and stuff.
Yeah.
You saw the stats that came out with like Top Step and stuff. Most people blow their fundeds and their evals all on Friday. It's the end of the
Oh
week. They
yeah.
don't want to end off fucking, yeah. It's the end of the week. They don't want to end off
Red.
in the red.
I don't know. Friday has never been my issue.
And then there's the rebuild date.
Yeah, that for sure.
بفحور the rebuild.
That everybody
Dun,
does it though.
dun, dun, dun.
Especially if you're on an eval. Funded is a different story, but if you're on an eval and you're getting rebuilt in 3 days and your target is still pretty far out, though, obviously you want to go for it. Not much volume today for a Monday.
Nah, nothing much.
Yes, right out the gate, the little tiny single move up and then pure consolidation. Look at ES. No movement.
Yeah, yes, pretty horrendous. It's just slow.
Yeah.
I don't know. We have NFP on Friday. Normally Mondays on NFP week are pretty decent in terms of price action and follow through. But it's ES the problem. ES is ruining us. You hear me right? I'm not on mute.
No, no, I hear you well.
I blew my nose so many times. I kept going on mute. Could have been talking to myself. I wouldn't even know.
Bro, I keep hearing a weird sound from your mic, bro, like a wish or washer, like a shh.
I have no idea. It's loud.
Um, Not loud, but you hear it. It's like if somebody came to blow in your mic, but then it's not you
Oh, it's
blowing, it's
probably my
something else. Maybe
fingers.
it's a fan or.
No, it's probably my fingers running over the speaker sometimes.
Look at ES all the way back down. Previous cycle low.
Yeah,
ES
this will
just
probably
doesn't
go.
want the smoke.
Oh my god, I told you now the gym closed at 7 o'clock on weekends.
Yeah, you're talking about tennis though, right? Huh?
Yeah, before she didn't leak my gym.
Bro.
But yeah.
It's okay. It means you just have to hurry up a little bit faster. You're there at 5:30. How long do you need to do arms? You don't really need it over an hour and a half.
I like to take my time. What's the
45
problem?
minutes on biceps, 45 full minutes on triceps.
No, I do them together.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there's so every exercise is a drop set and a superset to get the blood pumping. Pump it louder. Oh. Where those lyrics are.
What's the name of the group? Not the Beatles.
Black Eyed Peas, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know why I had the Beatles in my head.
What a weird group name, the Black Eyed Peas. Is it P like the letter P, or was it from? I don't know why in my head I remember Peas.
Me too, I remember PEAS.
I think it's P though. Wouldn't make sense. The P's. These days are so annoying when you just slowly climb up. You're just gonna keep making higher highs and higher lows and slowly climb up. and there's nothing you could do about it. Either you get FOMO and you get lucky or burned, or you sit on your hands and you look at yourself like, wow, what terrible price action.
It's okay. Hopefully near 11 o'clock gives us an opportunity.
Yeah, me too. I want
ES has
that.
been super slow, man. Look at ES since the open.
Yeah, if ES starts to move, then Q will start to move better.
I have an ant in my room. It's climbing the wall, and when it reached like my eye level, it just completely fell, hit the floor, and now it's climbing back up. Ah, it fell again. It keeps trying to climb the exact same wall and keeps falling. Poor guy.
Put the ant in your hair.
Yeah.
Let him like, I don't think he's like outside in the grass.
My girlfriend's listening and said, "Kill the bug." He's so
Don't kill
tiny.
him. Poor
It's an
thing.
ant. I don't kill ants. I bring them outside.
I don't kill ants. I bring him outside.
Yeah, I feel bad. I'm telling you. Remember, it's like Batman in the cave when Batman had to escape and he kept trying to climb the cave and people kept trying and falling off when he was in prison somewhere. You
Yeah, I
remember?
remember. I just don't remember which Batman that's from. I remember exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, I don't
I
know if
think
it's
it's
Batman Begins
The Dark Knight Rises.
or possibly. I haven't watched them in a while.
I'm gonna send you a video. Look, he fell again.
You're
I
gonna
sent
miss a trade watching an ant. No, I'm kidding.
this were to close above these highs, I would have taken it though. Doesn't look like it
Look at those
whatsoever.
wicks and how it is. I'm telling you, we're gonna slowly just keep climbing up, and I won't be able to find an entry, sadly.
No, no trade.
But you never know. That's why you wait.
Did you see the ant?
No, I didn't see. Hold on, I'm gonna go. Wow, this is horrendous. From my entry, we're like, what? Oh no, that's a decent move. Bro, the candles are just look squashed. Wicks everywhere.
11 o'clock, be our savior.
You sent it to me where? Oh, on Snapchat.
Yeah.
He's climbing the wall. That's
But
crazy.
look at the end and end. I think you see him fall, where the video
Yeah, he
stops right
falls.
before he fell. I don't know where he's going to. He's gonna hit the ceiling and come right back down. Why's my camera not focusing? I'm I'm cheering for him now. I want him to go up. That's a solo climb mission right there.
Oh, he's high now. He's nonstop. That
All
guy's
right, we got
energy
some
is
movement.
pretty
Ah, he
good.
fell. Ah, he's back at the bottom.
So
Poor kiddo. I'm gonna help him out though at 11:55 when I'm done. What a candle. Too bad no trade here. Hey. I know if it forms a fair value gap and it closes this one fast, I know a lot of people are gonna take it to and pray it's gonna wipe out all those lows accumulated in the last hour. It's gonna be dodgy. If you didn't take this inverse, I don't even know why you're sitting in front of your computer.
he's gonna post it with no execution.
Where the buy side has to be the targets. It looks way too clean. The whole area up there.
Yeah.
And ES2 has a long way to run. Sorry.
Yeah, you better be, boy.
My allergies are starting to kick in.
Yeah, for a lot of people too.
Yeah, my eyes are all itchy. My nose is becoming itchy too. I'm sneezing a lot more. Yeah, for real. Chop chop. Look at ES, man. That's the definition of chop chop ping pong. Look at all the low resistance liquidity that NQ's forming. Didn't miss anything. Yeah, me neither. Well, my allergies are bothering me, man. I'm gonna be sneezing for the next couple of weeks. Well, ES does not want to go anywhere. What a slow climb, huh? We're building stairs. Yep, back in that 15 minute. Whoops.
What's slow price action?
Yeah, no. I love catching a winner though Monday morning. It'd be nice.
What's the ticker for gold again?
What's what?
The ticker for gold, I forgot.
Oof, I don't know. I don't trade gold. M.
Oh, MGC, no?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, they are, Martin. Everyone's probably getting chopped up unless you took a long and you didn't move your stop. Anyone moving to break even probably got stopped out. And anyone shorting definitely got stopped out. That was almost a trade for me, but we're in a big fair value gap here. Did an inverse. You see anything, Dave? Not at all, huh?
No, absolutely nothing here. I told you, I think we're just going to keep climbing up slowly. But you won't be able to find an entry because the candles are so small and the wicks are large. You're moving sideways, but in an upward manner. There's going to be nothing for me to take. We'll see. Who knows? You might get some. You might get it. Might get cleaner soon, but hasn't gotten cleaner. It's been an hour.
I have to fix my back posture. Let's go ES. Duh, 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 duh. Who do you think's winning the World Cup?
I don't really watch soccer.
I was automatically entered into the Portugal train.
Yeah, no.
I got a free
Okay.
ticket on the Portugal train. Another bearish SMT. Still got no trade. No
No, but that's
trade
what sucks.
today.
You can have the correct draw, but and get no entry. At least we got one break even.
Yep, a break even is better than a loser any day. Oh no, my croissant. Oh, it's taking so much time, bro, but those targets on top are so clean. Equal highs at 512, cycle high 516, more equal highs here. I don't believe this is the top. There's no way we go down from here. They're actually forming opposite-sided liquidity. ES is forming so much buy side and Q has been forming so much sell side. But they both have buy side to go grab. Run, boy, run. This world was not meant for you. What was that, Wake? Alright, are we getting speed here? ES finally woke up from its slumber. That's pure dedication. The ant is still going at it.
a factor when I just don't trade the first. Yes.
I hear your phone, Dave.
For real.
Yeah, for real.
Well, you're just gonna slowly start to creep up.
ES finally got
Yes,
some momentum.
bro, which sucks, bro, because remember I told you at 10 o'clock when we got that IO Fed
Yeah,
and that second confirmation candle that we should start to head up, and we're heading up. But look, an hour of just sideways momentum upwards. Would have been a beautiful trade if it went fast.
yeah, I know. Maybe it's one of those days the PM will deliver a lot more efficiently. Pretty dead for a Monday. You know what's funny though? When you backed us at like 2023, 2020, well, the beginning of 2024, but mainly 2023, every day was, I think, even worse than this. There wasn't like big moves like
Yeah,
there are
some
today. The
months
volume
are
is so low.
very quiet.
Yeah, it's almost like nobody was trading the markets.
For real, it's like a ghost town sometimes.
Yeah, it's nice outside today, huh?
It is, yeah.
Blue skies. Can't wait for the pool to be ready. La différence entre quoi? Oh, I still have no trade here whatsoever. Bro, how doesn't he like die? He just keeps falling every time he reaches half the wall. Yes, has a lot of catching up to do.
Yes, yes, it does.
What's holding us here? Do we have any higher time frames? Oh well, we still have that 5 minute bearish from this morning. Tapped into it twice. It looks like we're about to tap into it again. All right, looks like we're not gonna get a trade this AM.
Yeah, to be honest, looks like we're just gonna slowly start moving up. Not gonna be able to find an entry here. Well, you got PM. Hopefully, we get some better price action in the PM.
Yep.
Look how slow we moved up. When are you getting off anyway?
I'm gonna get off around 11:50, 11:55 max.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Hit the gym super quick. And I'll be back for 1 p.m. Should be back for 1 p.m. Futures floor is probably gonna join. Sir Big Mike, you'll be here too, I'm guessing, Dave?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll see you there. Ah, futures floor, I see you. DNA question mark. Now I finally see your comment. Hey, no skills, what's up? Nothing much. Only one break even this morning. One break even and that's it. How about you, no skills? Any trade? Yeah, no trades today. Yeah, we had just one break even. Even that break even wasn't we wanted it to deliver a lot faster. It was a bit slow. Futures floor, how'd you do today? Wow, ES just really doesn't want to go anywhere. Show me the money. No money today, Teddy Graham. It was a break even. Hopefully in the PM we can find something and I'll show you the money. Show you the goods. Yeah, break even is way better than a loser. The different colors are just the 30-minute cycles. I marked them by color. I prefer marking it by color. Easier to spot SMTs between them. What do you trade, no skills? You scalp, you use, did you learn from ICT? You trade supply and demand? Supply and demand, a mixture of ICT, nice. Feels like everybody these days uses ICT just a little bit. Counter trends. Same for me. One of my trades is counter trends, and one of my trade is a mix between a counter trend or a continuation trend, depending where we are on the chart. Hey, AD. Hopefully the PM will have better price action than this. Are we finally running? Do we inverse that 5 minute finally? Oh, we're about to. Oh, we swept. We almost got a trade there. If this candle didn't sweep the previous black and close above the body, I would have been long. Dave, when my chair squeaks, do you hear it?
I've been on mute talking to you this whole time.
I guess so. I
Oh
haven't heard a word you
my
said.
goodness. Oh my goodness. I was telling you, bro. I told you before how the price action looks. We're gonna slowly climb up, moving sideways, and you won't be able to find an entry. That's exactly what happened. No clean trade, just one break even. Everything was right. Analysis was right. The confluences were right. Unfortunately, ES is a bit retarded. Wow, you know some people trade ES. Imagine trying to trade ES today. There's no way you're trading ES without pulling your hair out.
No way you're trading anyone who took shorts today got completely burned. Anybody trading yes got completely burned.
Burn, baby, burn, burn,
Unless you
burn.
kept the stop at a complete low that never got tapped.
Trade ES. Watch yourself.
Look how far NQ is compared to ES. ES is still near 10 o'clock. NQ's 10 o'clock
Yep.
is almost at the low of our day on NQ.
ES hasn't even moved.
We don't need no water, let the motherfucker burn. No
What?
skills, I have no idea what you're talking about. Where's that from? It's from Grown Ups, right? What?
Yeah,
What? Did you see they're filming a Grown Ups number 3?
for real.
Yeah. I hope it's as good as the first and the second. I really hope it's decent. Every tiny little retracer swing low we make is just another point to go higher. Slow climb.
Yeah, those are
Oh,
the worst.
yeah. Hard to get an entry.
I'd rather get chopped, so at least I know like we sat on our hands, we did good, we preserved our capital. We didn't mess around, we didn't give into emotion. When it slowly climbs up and goes in exactly where you want it to go, and you have the draw and liquidity right and everything on your side, but you get no entry because it does this,
Price action just
hurts
didn't
more.
deliver.
But that's horrible price action. Slowly but surely. It's funny, my chair squeaks. Probably sounds like I'm farting.
No, I don't even hear it. Mine too squeaks, and you told me you don't hear it, so we're good.
Not that it
Fart all
squeaks,
you
like
want.
it makes like these fucking. I think I need WD-40 on it. It's bizarre.
Oh!
Whoa!
Whoa!
All right, there's the move. There's the move we wanted all morning,
There's the move we've been waiting for.
bro.
Jerome Powell was in the shadows, saying, Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust. Alright, well,
Well,
NQ took a lot of buy side right there.
there's nothing I'm gonna take to be honest now. So
Yeah, me neither. There's nothing I'm looking for.
not after all those highs were taken.
Have you ever seen how funny those videos are where there's like a fake statue and a kid comes to play with it and he slowly pretends to fall?
Ah,
It's
yeah,
like a
those are
human and not a
hilarious.
statue. Yeah, the kids get so scared. It's crazy how fast kids cry. It's like a defense mechanism. They get scared, they just start popping tears. Well, ES still has a long way to go. At least you caught some of it, Teddy. I caught nothing of that. No trade for me. It does that often. It runs away from us. It smells like Eggo's in the house. Smells like what? Lego my Eggo. Yeah, chocolate chip Eggos. Do they have Eggos in the States? They do, right? For sure. Eggo my Eggo. Big time, yeah. You guys probably have way more flavors than us too. We never have the cool stuff. Chicken and waffles, yeah, you guys have that. We don't have that here either. We're lacking of all the good, greasy food. All right, 10 more minutes. David, I'm gonna get off at 11:50. Took out
Yo,
all
I'm
these
I'm
highs at
ready to
this.
get I'm ready to get off myself. I'm not gonna take anything here.
I'm gonna be back for PM 1 o'clock. Hopefully we could get a trade in the PM. Just want to see what it does here. Never full port, Teddy. I don't even have accounts evaluations to full port. All my accounts are PAs now, so there's no full port. I should buy a couple evals. Right now I'm with Apex. Never had a problem with Apex, and customer support has always been so nice to me too. There's a lot of good firms out there though. Tradeify is a very good one too, that I've heard. No, they do not close. I don't know if they have new rules, but I've had these for a while. Yeah, Tradeify are very good plans, and they're a very highly trusted firm. Is that it? No skills is rich? If he is, I think we should have just all put our money in the same pile and split it. Split it equally.
Bro, did you have breakfast?
Yeah, I had eggs and yogurt.
Nice. Sweet, sexy, yummy.
That's it. I'm never really hungry in the morning when I wake up. Even what I eat, bro, I eat 3 eggs and yogurt, and I gotta shove the eggs down my throat. Can't even eat it all. Pause. I didn't mean it like that, Teddy. If I flip a coin, will you give me head? I'm gonna start using it now. Huh? Alright, doesn't look like I'm gonna get a trade here anyways. It's crazy. ES has so much sell side liquidity too. Playing Lego blocks. Alright, Dave, I'm gonna get off here. I don't see any potential trade in the next 5 minutes, so I'm gonna get off and I'll see you at 1 o'clock, okay?
Yeah, me too. I really don't see anything here. I'm not gonna take nothing. Okay, ciao.
Alright. Alright, ciao chat. Thank you for tuning in. If you guys are still here, like and subscribe if you guys are even here. I'll see you guys at 1 o'clock for the PM session. See you later, Teddy.